Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out this Bleach London hair product. So basically I have quite a few colors in my hair. I tried to change my hair color a few months ago and it didn't really turn out the way I wanted it. So I actually have 3 different colors in my hair. Up here this is my natural color, and I also have a little bit of copper up here, which I don't really like together with the blonde. This is also not the shade of blonde that I wanted originally, so I wanted to try something that is not permanent, and this product had quite good reviews. I'm still a little bit scared of changing my hair color just because of the issues I had last time. I actually went to a hair salon and the color just didn't turn out the way I wanted it. I think getting the right shade of blonde can be quite difficult. Anyway, now for the winter time I want to try something a little bit darker, and next year when the weather will start to be a bit nicer, I think I'm gonna go back to blonde. I hope that one of these is going to be enough for my hair. My hair is not that long. The package actually says that for best results use on a bleached blonde hair, which is good. My hair has been bleached a while ago, and on the top where my natural color is, I actually don't mind it too much if the color is not going to change, because there wouldn't be such a big difference between the 2 colors. So I'm just going to read the directions. Wearing gloves, apply generously to shampooed, towel dried hair, massage or comb through mid-length and ends before leaving to develop for 30 minutes. Rinse out and style as desired. So I'm quickly going to wash my hair now, and then I'm going to show you how to apply the product to your hair. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I also quickly changed my top because I didn't want to mess up my white t-shirt. So now I have to go and see if I have any gloves. If not, I will just have to use my hands to apply the product. But first I'm going to dry my hair a little bit with the towel and just quickly brush it out. So now I'm all done and I'm going to look for the gloves. Hopefully I can find one. So unfortunately I couldn't find any gloves, so I just have to use my hands. Actually smells really nice. And because I don't have any gloves, I'm just going to add a bit of product to my hair brush. Look at the color. I can't even see any of it on my hair. Okay, I think it's best if I just use my hand instead. Smells so nice. I still have quite a lot of product left, so I'm not going to be afraid to use a bit more on this side. So one side is done. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, and then I will leave it on for 30 minutes. I managed not to mess up anything in my bedroom, but I would definitely suggest that you do this in the bathroom. Look at my hands. This is not really like a hair dye, it's more like a cream, so it's a little bit more mess free. I still have a little bit of product left, so I'm just going to massage it through my hair and then put it up in a bun. So I actually still have a little bit more product left, but I'm not going to use it all because I think I covered all my hair. Now I'm going to quickly wash my hands and then leave it on for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to show you the results. So I just washed my hair and I'm a little bit worried because my hair looks a little bit patchy, but I'm going to dry it now and see what it looks like. I'm not sure I'm going to like this color. It looks like this side is a little bit darker, which would make sense because I applied the product on this side first. So this is the final result, and it's not really the color I expected. I thought it would be a little bit more copper. I can still see a lot of blonde in my hair. I could have left it on a little bit longer. I only left it on for about 20 minutes, but I was a bit afraid that the color would be too intense. I actually quite like this color and I'm happy with it. And if you also want to try out a copper color and you are a bit too afraid to try a permanent color, then I would definitely suggest trying this product. So that is all for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon.